For today's recipe, magmamarinate ako ng meat na baboy. I have relish, onion, garlic, bay leaves, soy sauce, oyster sauce. Naglagay din ako ng 1 can of 7-Up para i-marinate ko yung meat. So guys, i-fry muna natin yung mga green pepper, yellow pepper, and carrots. Wala tayo ng menudo for today's recipe. Tapos, yung potatoes. Fry muna natin ng konti. Pakuluin natin ng konti. Dami na naman, my God. Just wait. Ay, lagay na natin yung hotdog. And then mix it well. Okay guys, let me put some liver spread here. One spoon of liver spread para lalong masarap yung menudo natin. And then lagyan natin ng peas and carrots. Tapos ay tomato, carrots, and green pepper, yellow pepper. Not tomato, sorry. This is potato, sorry, my bad. Ay, ang dami na naman. Diyos ko po. Parang laging pwesta sa bahay ko. Okay, and then mix it well. And tomato sauce. Lagyan natin ng tomato paste. Ang dami, my goodness. Okay guys, this is done. This is my menudo for today's video. So thanks for watching. God bless. Bye bye. Let's eat.